Hey yo, what's good YouTube? I'm about to show y'all some parts I got from my Mustang. Here we go.
So these little things make a big difference, you feel me? Battery tray, mine was all cracked and nasty. Brand new. This one straight from Pt.1 parts. This thing too with the little Ford badge that go in the back. Yes sir, my car missing it. So we're gonna put that on too. That's some Pt.1 parts. I'll put that over there. These are from LMR, all these 3 parts. So this the little breather for the engine, you feel me? Where the oil cap goes. Yes sir. This the radiator cap, mine's all faded and cracked. This shit gonna make it nice, boys. And the trunk lifts, mine's all old, all nasty. So we had to get it done. We came out here to the Fox. Let's just pop the hood real quick. Alright, so the breather and the coolant cap is going on first. Here the engine to the Fox now. You feel me? Got the cap back on. Got the breather on. Looking nice. Everything else stock. Alright y'all, now we're about to go put gas in the car. Oh shit, sight. Yes sir. Yes sir. And now the windshield. Hold on y'all, this is mad hard. Alright y'all. Windows looking nice and clear. Okay, they clean. Tires looking nice and black. You know how to put that tire shine on. I had to get it looking nice. Clean back seat. Hit me up if you got that. I'm gonna need this whole thing right here. Hit me up if you got it. This is broken. Time for the new Ford emblem. Man, that looks clean. Right now it's just mocked up there. See, look, it's just a sticker. It looks way better, man. Just one badge. Bring the whole thing together. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's actually about a week and a half after I filmed that last part. And I ended up doing more stuff to the Fox. Some things came in the mail that I wasn't expecting. They came a little bit early, so I just threw them on. Decided to add it on. So let me show y'all. I also installed the tray, so everything's solid. Nothing moves in with this heavy ass battery. And a new addition, actually, that I didn't show to install is this LX badge right here. You can still kind of see the old one in the sun. The A from afar it looks good. So I'm keeping it like that. Got the Ford badge. Badges are all on there looking nice. And we also have the struts on. Top of the trunk. Struts go up nice and fine. Struts nice too. But the bigger new thing that I got was these headlights from LMR that just got back in stock. They're the smoked ones that might be a little bit dirty because, like I said, it's been about a week and a half since I put them on there. They look really good. I'll throw up some pictures right now. And I would show you guys later at night how these lights look, but this switch is acting really funny, and I had to order another one from Lamar, and that should be on its way. But that'll be in the next video. I'll update y'all pretty soon. Thanks for watching, motherfuckers.